Welcome to the Ultimate Car Quiz. 15 classics, no logos, no hints, just metal, memory, and instinct. Can you name them all? Let's find out. What car is this? 1957 Dodge D100. 1956 Ford F100. 1958 Chevrolet Apache. 1959 Studebaker Transstar. 1957 Dodge D100. Which model is this? 1946 Dodge WD-15. 1946 Chevrolet DP. 1947 International KB1. 1947 Ford half-ton. 1946 Chevrolet DP. Identify this car. 1962 GMC 1000. 1965 Chevrolet C10. 1961 Dodge D100. 1964 Ford F100. 1965 Chevrolet C10. Enjoying the challenge? Show some support. Like the video and subscribe for more gearhead fun. What model is shown? 1979 Jeep J10. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne. 1970 Dodge D100 Adventurer. 1974 International Harvester 100. (1970) Dodge D100 Adventurer. Name this vehicle. 1953 International R110. 1957 GMC 100. 1954 Studebaker 3R. 1959 Dodge D100. 1953 International R110. Which car is this? 1966 Chevrolet C10. 1967 Mercury M100. 1973 GMC Sierra 2500. 1974 International Harvester 150. 1974 International Harvester 150. Enjoying the challenge? Show some support. Like the video and subscribe for more gearhead fun. Guess this car. 1971 Chevrolet C20. 1975 Ford F350. 1962 Jeep Gladiator. 1964 International Harvester C900. 1971 Chevrolet C20. What's this car? 1961 Studebaker Champ. 1963 Chevrolet K20. 1961 International C120. 1966 GMC 1500. 1963 Chevrolet K20. Which one is shown? 1940 Chevrolet AK Series. 1946 Studebaker M5. 1941 GMC CC Series. 1952 Dodge B Series. 1940 Chevrolet AK Series. Enjoying the challenge? Show some support. Like the video and subscribe for more gearhead fun. Recognize this model. 1955 Ford F100. 1954 GMC 100. 1955 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. 1958 GMC Suburban. 1955 Ford F100. What vehicle is this? 1932 Chevrolet half-ton. 1931 Ford Model A. 1935 GMC 1-ton. 1933 International D1. 1931 Ford Model A. Name this car. 1972 GMC Sierra Grande 1500. 1978 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. 1979 Ford F100 XLT. 1977 Dodge D100. 1972 GMC Sierra Grande 1500. Guess the vehicle. 1961 Ford F100. 1961 Ford F100. 1961 International C120. 1966 GMC 1500. 1961 International C120. Identify this one. 1925 Dodge Brothers. 1924 Chevrolet Model H. 1923 Ford Model T Runabout. 1929 Buick Model 29. 1923 Ford Model T Runabout. Which car is this? 1974 Toyota Hilux SR5. 1973 Datsun 620. 1976 Ford Courier. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne. 1974 Toyota Hilux SR5. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you enjoyed this classic car quiz. Let us know in the comments how many you guessed right. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more vintage rides.